Hello and welcome back to Kokomonster News. I'm Koko, bringing you cool news from all around our amazing world. Before we dive into today's stories, let's have some fun learning a few new words we'll hear in the news. Let's start with the word widespread. Imagine pouring a cup of water on a flat surface and watching it spread out everywhere. Widespread means something that covers a large area or affects many places or people. In our news today, we might hear, a powerful storm has caused widespread damage across the state of California. This means the storm was so big and strong that it spread out and hurt lots of different places all over California, just like the water spreading out over a large area. Next, let's go with the word prone. Imagine a game where you're more likely to tip over if you stand on one foot. Prone means something is likely to happen or have a particular problem. In our news today, we might say, the state's young mountains and steep terrain make it prone to landslides. This means the way the mountains and land are shaped makes it more likely for landslides to happen there, just like how standing on one foot makes it easier for you to lose your balance. Finally, we have the word prevent. Imagine using an umbrella to keep the rain from getting you wet. Prevent means to stop something from happening or to keep a problem away. In our news today, we might hear, debris basins are a useful method for managing landslides and preventing damage. This means debris basins are like big bowls in the ground that catch falling rocks and dirt from landslides, helping to stop them from hurting people's homes and the environment, just like an umbrella keeps you dry in the rain. You did a fantastic job learning these new words. Now let's jump into today's exciting news stories. Here's what's happening around the world. A powerful storm has caused widespread damage across the state of California. The storm brought strong winds, flash floods, and record-breaking rainfall. Downtown Los Angeles experienced the third-wettest two-day total since weather records began. The ground was wet from previous rain, which made it more susceptible to sliding. The state's young mountains and steep terrain make it prone to landslides. Areas on or near hillsides that have recently burned are most at risk for landslides. Debris basins are a useful method for managing landslides and preventing damage. The California Geological Survey studies potential debris flows and provides information to emergency response agencies. And that's a wrap for today's Kokomonster News. I hope you enjoyed our stories and don't forget about the new words we learned today. Keep using them and see how many times you can spot them this week. I'm Koko, saying goodbye and stay curious. Tune in next time for more fun news and cool words. See you then.